So I came down here to take care of business, to fill out the raised beds and do all the little things I have on my list. And the chickens were out. This is the third time. The other day, I came out here and Flora had gotten loose. I have it in the past video, the last video. And I got her back in. It was no problem. I caught her in time because I was already out here. But last night I came home from work and she was on the wrong side of the fence. I was like, it was really dark and I was wondering, what is going on? Is that chicken on the wrong side? And I realized it was Rose and she came running up to me, so I was able to pick her up, put her back in. She was scared. It was dark. She couldn't get up high to roost, so I had to rescue her. Anyway, so today I come down and I am carrying boxes and such, and you know, that's loaded with chicken food and rabbit food and such, and all three of them were out. Anyway, I got them in. So I put this old pot over here. They've been making a dust bath right there, which made a big old hole underneath the fence, and they got through there. And because of all the vegetation, it's hard to keep the net flush, so it kind of bends in, and they were scooting themselves out, bending it out. So I put some pots there. Now, some of you may be laughing at me who have had chickens for a while, and you just say, fix the fence and fix the problem, and yeah, it's going to happen. But I kind of fixed it. We'll see. We'll see. Maybe that's all they need is an obstacle to get in the way. Anywho, welcome to Indecisive Gardener's Backyard Homestead. I'm Stacy Jo, but you can just call me Stacy if you like. Now, did I finish the story? It was so cute last night that Rose ran up to me. She's like, Mom, help me, help me. She does that. Rose is my little puppy dog. She follows me everywhere. And she's always wanting to have a conversation or something. I don't know what's going on there, but she's always looking up at me and say, Mom, hi, how are you doing? And, you know, Rose may not be the prettiest one, and she's actually the smallest, but she's sure darn cute. Yeah, that sure is the place. That's where they've been getting out. Guess what? Chicken butt. Flora. Okay, so like I said, I was going to come out here. I was going to film. I was going to show you what I'm going to do today. Instead, I guess the chickens had another idea. We're going to do a tour of all the damage. And I see they got a hold of every single raised bed. Cabbages look okay. So this is where they were. They're waiting at the gate for me. So we are going to start this tour at the entrance and work our way through the garden and show you what exactly they've done. So it looks like they started a dust bath. And it looks like we're trying to pull my weeds. They didn't do such a great job. But anyway, and the Marion bushes. We have some disturbance there. And there. Oh no. My potatoes, my russet potatoes, they have And also the kale. Got little pockets here. I gotta fix that. Okay, this is not what I had on the... Oh, there's a potato. Oh my gosh, no. You guys, this is not what I had on the agenda today. Ugh, that poor kale. 2 of them. Okay, prop it up. Do I have any potatoes popping up yet? I don't think so. I just put them in last week, so. Or maybe 2 weeks ago. Yeah, okay. First damage. Yep. Guess it's going to the chickens. There's a row of radishes and kale here that got totally buried by straw. Oh, honeys. Hopefully they will perk back up. More kale. Let's get some of this down here. All right. So I'm hoping they'll perk back up. Hoping. While we're here, look at the buds on the clematis. I can't wait. There's more on the other side. Look at that. Luckily, the gate was shut, so they couldn't get in here and destroy the collards or even roost on top of these and make a big old mess. So Mr. Mouse got disturbed. I did have Kajari melon right there. And lots of basil. And some seeds that had come up from when I casted the old seeds out. Now, where the calendula was, that's some serious evidence there. Oh my gosh. Yep. They have been in this bed too. At least they didn't destroy the tomatoes. That's my pineapple. And that's my early girl, which I know they've been in here, not just because of that, but the tags are on the ground and buried. Rose is behind me staring at me. She's like, Mom, what you doing? Oh my word. Okay, so the cabbage is desecrated. That's morning glory. That's grass. What was here? Blue spice basil. Well, there's a little bit left. What's this? Another cabbage. Oh my gosh. And another cabbage. Onion. Yeah, it was a flat late Dutch. Okay. Well, they know what they're doing. They're going to get extra treats this way. I could have sworn there was red cabbage in here too. And I don't know if you can tell, but the artichokes has a big old cave right there. Kind of like a big old slope. Okay, this potato patch has been dug through, which is more russets. I need to get more straw. I see a potato. Girls, I see a peanut too, and I don't feed the squirrels peanuts. Neighbors do. Okay, that one's kind of got wet and is not falling apart, so we're gonna leave that out. Okay. Looks like they got into the garlic too. So it looks like they got a potato. Put in. Not sure where. So I'm gonna put it right in the dirt and cover it up with straw. It's a Ruth Stout method. And the my sprinkler I've been using. Been doing this temporarily until we get the watering system hooked up again. We pulled that over. And my squashes are gone. No more zucchini. So we're gonna have to start over on that. Where'd they go? Oh, there's one. Well, I wonder if it'll survive. Let's get this in here. Right there. And I'm not wearing gloves. It was not planned. I know, honey. What? You're out. Honey. See what I mean? Ah! Oh, shoot. You too? Okay, I'm trying to get by the camera here. By the tripod. Hi, honey. I know. I love you. I love you. How are you doing it, girl? You just tried it in front of me and you couldn't get through. I don't understand. Maybe I need to clip their wings. I am due in a couple weeks. Maybe I'll do it today. Hey, Flora. Okay. So, I was meaning to get something out. I was meaning to tell you something. Oh yeah. This video was supposed to be of me getting things done before I have to go back to work. And today I just kind of screwed that up. I was going to do a video, film it on Friday, and then film it on Tuesday and combine them, and that was going to be it. Well, that's because I have to work tomorrow on Saturday, which is normally my day off, every other Saturday. But this one I volunteered to work for because it's the plant sale, and this is an annual plant sale that we have where we help build hanging baskets, and people get to choose their flowers and enjoy the conversation and take home their baskets and a free bag of soil. So it's a promotional thing we do. So that's why I'm filming today, and why I actually got Friday and Tuesday off, which is glorious. This is actually kind of cool. I like this. But anyway, so yeah, didn't quite work out that way, did it? I will still try to get some filming in this coming Tuesday, though. Yeah. Do I have Tuesday off? I don't know. I'm so... Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here, darlings. Come on. Good girls. No. They are not getting this. I have chickens all around the tripod. They want the egg. But this is going inside with the others, because we're going to have Mexican eggs tonight. One of my favorites. Hey, thief. You took it all. Okay. Hi, baby. Okay, hold your wing in. There we go. I don't need another vet bill. Sweetie. There we go. Good girl. Good girl. Yeah. Okay, so I think we're going to wrap this up. I'm going to continue to do what I wanted to do today. There you go. And clean up their mess some more. And until next time, remember to plant kindness, to grow love. God bless. Have an awesome day. And I'll see you next time. See ya.